Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to enable iOS standby feature, iOS 17 standby feature on your iPad. So with that being said guys, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all you have to check compatibility. So ensure your iPad is compatible with iOS 17. The standby feature is available on iPad models that support this version. And then you have to update iPad OS, go to settings, general software update. If an update is available, download and install it to get iOS 17. And then you have to access standby mode. Once updated, connect your iPad to a power source. Standby mode activates automatically when device is in landscape orientation while charging. Then customize display settings. Swipe down from the top right corner to open control center. Tap the standby icon to customize what's displayed, such as clock styles or widgets. And then just adjust settings. Go to settings, display and brightness. Then go to standby to tweak additional settings to your own liking. And this is how you enable the iOS 17 standby feature on your iPad. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video be helpful, then consider subscribing. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.